get it out of there and see what it looks like. Maybe we flip it over. There you go. So we're out here on site today in Wisconsin Rapids, another new construction project, setting up a retention system. There's some elevation change and some grade issues, kind of combating them with some large native granite boulders. We're walking up a concrete driveway right now. We're gonna take block and cap, retaining wall block and cap, and kind of build a nice arc here. So right here we'll start a large boulder wall that kind of levels this area out. We had the concrete contractor form out this radius to kind of get us started on the bed lines going around the home. Brings us over to another raised planter. We've taken some large outcropping boulders again. So essentially we'll be covering up the sides of this poured concrete porch. This client is bringing in a hot tub over in this area. You won't even know that the concrete foundation was there. This is going to be the face right here. Like that. Nice, that'll really complete that S too. Anybody else might have built a straight wall here, and it's like we just tried to give it a little bit of interest with this flowing S, inevitably setting the shape of his upper lawn here. I guess the challenge is trying to keep these seams tight, the tops level, when you're working with totally uneven surfaces. So it's a challenge, but it's, you know, it's fun at the same time and exciting to see it come together. I really like how this is coming together. We have an initial banding or border curve coming through this front paver area. So we're basically setting the same curve from the front of the home to the back of the home as all one continuous curve. Starting to lay this bottom landing. We always screed off a 1-inch bedding layer of these permeable chips to lay everything on. So these are our screeding pipes. We're starting to lay out the pattern, come down the steps onto this lower landing, get you off into the yard area. Hey, we're all wrapped up with this design and build. It's a beautiful fall day here in central Wisconsin. We're ready to walk you through it. Starting up here in the front of the home, another awesome opportunity to showcase our trademark SICK brick. What that means is we combine tones, textures, patterns, and shapes to designate spaces within the hardscape. So we needed a one-step approach to get up into the home. We brought in some block and cap, filled it in with pavers to create a landing to take on this elevation change. So starting to walk this way around the landscape, we continue this banding curve that takes off onto the concrete that we had formed out, which inevitably starts our planting bed line. We designated a stone stepping path here, which leads us through these two garden areas out into the lawn space. So this aluminum edging separates the planting bed from the lawn space. Right now we just have topsoil in here, and this lawn will be planted come springtime. Speaking of spring, all these plants will green right up and give the foundation of this home some lush color. So we're on the back side of the home now, and we've created a large outdoor living area. You can hardly recognize what it once was. So one of the design objectives was to obviously cover the concrete slab and to incorporate the hot tub within the space. So we were able to squeeze and tuck this hot tub in between these large boulders and this set of steps that we built to access the upper patio. Talking about these steps, we have some large ledgestone caps which provide a wide tread. Underneath the caps, we incorporated some low voltage accent lighting to light up your path at night. So these steps lead us up to the upper patio. And what we did up here in this space was define a walkway, and we laid out some other areas where we could incorporate some outdoor furniture. So this defined walkway just leads us over to this one quick step, gets us up into the house. So what I really like about the height of this upper patio is it provides easy in and out access to the hot tub. So thanks for walking around with us out here. I hope you got some inspiration for your next project or seen some ideas on how to define the spaces in your landscape.